Fights between the siblings and sibling jealousy, how to deal with it. Parents often ask me this question when there are two or more children. They are not agreeing upon something and they're always fighting with each other. How to resolve this? Hi, my name is Veena BK. I'm a parenting coach, life coach, and a healer. So today I'm talking about sibling fight differences between them and some clashes happening between the children. So as parents, my first advice to you, please do not take sides whenever something comes up, an argument or a disagreement happens between them. Let them sort it out themselves as far as possible. Unless they are physically hurting each other, hitting each other, at that time you have to separate them and ask them to be in different rooms or different places in the same room and do not, as far as possible, separate them. That's the first step. And secondly, tell this child, both the child you can tell in a separate conversation that this is not acceptable. When normally one child is bossy, I hear this from parents, so I thought I should tell you this. Even in the interactions between them, normally one child is bossy and one child gives in all the time. So this pattern is already set. You have to break that pattern by telling this child who is over bossy and over dominating that this is not acceptable. Take care of your brother or sister. Why do you do this? You have to talk to this child, and you also have to reassure the other child. You have to stand up for yourself, and it doesn't mean you have to accept whatever your brother or sister says. Why don't you put out your views? So separately, like when the two children are not together, you parents have to just advise the both the kids separately about their behavior. If you notice any kind of aggressive behavior in one child or submissive behavior in the other child, this you need to do. Also, as I tell parents, exclusive time to both the children, because each child feels, the parent cares for the other child more. When you start giving exclusive time, it may be even 5 minutes a day, only one parent and the child is together for some time. It may be even 5 minutes, and the other child is busy in his or her activities. And same way, you give exclusive time to the other kid. So this makes them reassured that yes, my parent cares for me, and whatever they want to share with you without the disturbance from the other sibling, they can really talk to you, they can share with you. And if time is a constraint, every day not possible, at least we can make time. Take one child outside and one child is with your spouse or doing something else. So that way you arrange your routine so that you can spend exclusive time with each of the child. This will really help because normally we hear children say or think that the parent loves the other child more. So this exclusive time will give lot of reassurance to them and they'll feel, yes, I am cared for. I'm also important. Each child will feel it. So it will help and later their differences also will be sorted out. Normally they'll be thinking parent is supporting the other kid and they are highlighting that factor, so this problem will be resolved. And also I want to tell you, repeatedly tell your children that I love you, I care for you. Normally they say you don't care for me, you are always supporting the other kid, my brother or sister. They think so and they sometimes they are vocal. So you have to repeatedly tell both your children that you both are equal to me, or if there are three, you have to tell them all three of you are equal to me. I love all my children equally. You have to repeatedly tell them, though they may not outwardly agree, they may be telling you, no, you love the others more. Normally, they use this like a manipulative weapon also. The children tend to do this, like they repeatedly tell you that you love the other child more, you don't buy something for me, you don't do anything for me. They use it sometimes like a manipulative technique or trick. So please do not fall for it and do not just be very neutral whenever they say that. You just reply back with this sentence that all children are equal to me, nothing like that. So you have to repeatedly tell them for them to believe you. It will take some time. So when you implement all these measures together, whatever I said, among them also understanding would improve and this whatever arguments are happening or they are coming back to you and accusing that you're not caring for me, these things will go down. Please try it and tell me what you feel. Please subscribe to my channel and please comment. Please like this video. Thank you.